Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy Case Malls. Yeah guys, it's the start of a new week. Let's see what the market is holding for us basically. This was a NASDAQ trade. We analyzed this thing last week. We're gonna be analyzing this thing again uh, and see what is holding for us this week. So I still think NASDAQ is gonna be going to the top side basically. So when we're going to reanalyze it again, what we're going to be doing is to just check where is going to be our entries basically for this week, because the structure is still looks the same, still looks like we're still going to be going to this top side. So basically, without wasting any more time, let's analyze USDJPY. We're going to start with Forex charts. And yeah guys, you can see even USDJPY analyze this thing. It gave us our first touch, second touch, third touch, and then it bounced back on the fourth touch again, went back to the top side. I'm going to remove everything here, and then we can analyze USDJPY from scratch and see what the market is holding for us coming to this week, guys. As you can see, I'm on weekly time frame. What I'm going to be doing is just to specify my highest zone and the lowest zone. That's basically what I do each and every time when I analyze the market. I prefer you to do the same thing, or I advise you to do the same thing. Follow my steps, and so that you can know where exactly we're going to have our entries on your charts as well. This is how you're going to learn, guys. Without wasting any more time, I'm going to highlight this as my highest zone for now, and then this is going to be my lowest zone. We have another high zone there. So this is just basically the points where the market touches, it give us a big movement. When the market touch this point, the market give us a big movement. I always do this thing each and every week, or each and every time I analyze the market. So these points help me to catch all those killer entries. It makes me catch all those sniper entries. So that's basically what I have when it comes to the weekly time frame. I don't want a lot of lines for now, because we can see I can also get this one as well, because this could help me to get another movement when it comes to USDJPY. This is weekly time frame. I'm gonna go to D1 and see what the market is holding for me basically with D1. After specifying those higher zone, lower zones, points where the market is giving me big movement, I need to specify the trend. What is the trend of the market giving me? USDJPY, what is the trend basically going? I can have a trend here. As you know that I changed my colors of the trend to yellow. A lot of people are saying it's good, it looks fine. There's a distinguish between the trend lines and the zones. So we can see the trend line, it looks like it's an upward trend. It's been a rising wedge. You can see and connect it from the top side as well. Let's see exactly what we have on the top side. This is exactly what we have on the top side. We see the market bouncing from this zone. It bounced from here, it never gave us a third touch. Even here it's giving us 1, 2. So we're waiting for it to touch for the third time here. So it might come and touch it from this zone here. So this is our overall structure basically when it comes to USDJPY. We're waiting for USDJPY to come and touch here before it comes and give us a third touch here. So basically we're waiting for third touches from the top and the bottom side of the trend line basically. So I'm going to just cancel these things here and see exactly, since we have our trend going to the top side, where is it going to be? Where are we going to get our entries? Because we're already on a D1, we know that this channel here is basically an important level here. So we have a level that is very, very important here. USDJPY, we saw it bouncing from here. It even gave us like a double bottom on this one, which is 1, 2 on a daily time frame. We see it going to the top side right now. So but yeah guys, on a daily time frame, that's what I see at the moment. I can even draw another trend inside a trend basically, because the market gave us 1 touch, 2 touch, third touch here. This was a beautiful trade if you ask me. If you catch the trade that was here, you know that you're buying, you're holding up until the top side. So I'm going to remove this one for now, but yeah, I just wanted to show you how you analyze the market and how you catch all these things, guys. So that's basically what we have at the moment. How do I remove that? It doesn't want to go out. Okay. Now I'm gonna leave it for now. Let's remove it like this. Yeah, gonna remove it like that and leave it like that for now. So what I'm gonna do right now is going to the lower time frame and see exactly, since we know that the market is going to the top side, what are we going to be doing when the market is going to the top side? We need to get our buying position. I can connect another trend here. This is the trend that I drew on the D1 and then I took it out, so it looks like it's working for now. So we can see that the market has broken this neckline. It gave us a double bottom here, so we are this left leg, and then we have a right leg here, which is giving us a double bottom, which is a W pattern. So right now we know with the W pattern, it's supposed to go to the top side basically. So we know that the market has broken out this neckline on the W pattern. So the neckline has been broken basically. We didn't get any retest. So right now we're going to wait for the market to do whatever it's doing, and then we wait for them to come back here. Once they touch this zone, guys, once they touch this zone, this is exactly where we're going to start buying our position up until this level or this level. This is basically what I'm seeing at the moment for USDJPY. You can see that the neckline has been broken. We're waiting for the market to come and retest this zone. Once they retest this zone, we're going to go up with them up until this level and this level. This level matches exactly what we have here. So I think our entry points needs to be exactly from this level, guys. It is what it is right now. It is a simple trade the way I'm looking at it. So USDJPY, I'm just going to wait for them to just play around this zone for a little bit. Maybe Monday, Tuesday, they might come back here and started to play on this zone. Once they play on this zone, whatever pattern they give us, guys, you know that is going to be a pattern of a buying opportunity. So we can see, because our overall trend as well is giving us a buying opportunities. I can also connect this thing as a trend as well. So because we know that this is a bigger trend. So a bigger trend is telling us that we're going to the upside. If I connect another trend here, where is going to be our take profit? So our take profit with the small trend, we know that our take profit has to be exactly after the breakout. So we know that they broke out from here. All we need them to do right now is to retest from this breakout and then go here. So our first TP has to be here, as we can see with this cycles, guys. So I'm just going to remove this, and then I don't want to remove the yellow line. Just want to remove this. Yes, I want to remove the red lines, and then I'm going to put the yellow line here, which is our trend. So I'm going to remove the line, and then this is our trend. We know that the trend has been broken. So once the trend has been broken, our TP has to be somewhere here, which is exactly on the zones that we put. So we know that our entry position has to be here, guys. So the entry position has to wait for the market to come and touch here, then we go to the top side. We know this is our TP, this is our entry. So wait for the market to do that. That's basically what I see when it comes to USDJPY. I'm gonna go to the lower time frame and see exactly what they have at the moment. But yeah, guys, this is a very good trade, if you ask me, guys. So let's see. I'm just going to remove this, remove that. So just I like to draw these cycles because they give me they show us where we're going to be entering our trade. So we can see this week we only have one we only have one entry points exactly where we're going to enter our trade. We know that if we enter our trade here, we put our stop loss somewhere here. Once they come back inside this zone, we know that they are invalidating the trade. They might come back and touch here. So but this is far. So the only time I'm going to enter the USDJPY trade is when they touch this zone. So because I'm going to wait for them to come touch this zone. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame and see what they have. The same thing that we saw on the 30 minutes time frame. So guys, let's see what are they doing here. So this is the flag that will show you exactly what they will be doing when the market opens, because our entry is a little bit far for now. So just wait for them to give you a specific flag here. Once they give you that flag, we know that this is a bullish flag. It's going to break out for a little bit, but you know that if it's a small flag, we know that a TP has to be somewhere there. So we wait for that TP to be hit. We know that once they hit that TP of a bullish flag, they're going to be coming back to the downside, maybe slowly. Once they touch this zone, this is exactly when you start hitting them with your buying position. Our selling positions are not going to be long, guys, but yeah, the buy position, this is what we have. Nonetheless, guys, this is what we have on USDJPY. If we jump back to NASDAQ, guys, we're going to be jumping back to NASDAQ and see what we have at the moment on NASDAQ. As we analyze this thing, we said we're going to be seeing a buying position. The market will test this trend line. We can see they tested the trend line very nicely. They started moving to the upside. I couldn't catch this trade because CPI showed me flames and I was busy mourning and bitching about that position. But yeah, I was able to bring back that money that I lost on CPI because I always trade news with small amount of money, and I leverage all the accounts, So that's basically what I saw on NASDAQ. I'm going to remove everything and start analyzing NASDAQ from scratch again, guys. So I'm going to go to the higher time frame, which is our weekly time frame. So our weekly time frame on NASDAQ, what is it showing us? What is it showing us? What is it showing us? Guys, as you know, whatever we did on USDJPY is what we need to do on NASDAQ. Make it a habit to always put your zones. So I'm going to put my highest point and then put my lowest point and then the highest point and then start getting all those zones that gave me a big movement, guys. So make it a habit to do all these things, guys. Make it a habit because this is showing us where we can put our stop losses, where we can put our take profit, where we can enter our positions on a trend. So I really like this strategy because it is working, guys. I'm going to put these things here. This is where the market gave us a big movement here as well. Came back and give us another big movement here. Where else did we get a big movement? I can already see, you can see this, guys. If you're liking this content, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to this channel so that this channel can grow, guys. I think I've already put all my zones. So that's basically it. What is the next step that we need to do after we put in our zones, guys? So we're going to go to the D1, which is a lower time frame from what we had. So remember, we had a bigger trend. The bigger trend was we need to identify our trend after specifying our zone. So what is our trend? So we had this wedge that was broken out and retested. This is the wedge that was broken out, retested. Once the wedge was retested, we know that the struggle is to go to the top side basically when it comes to NASDAQ. So we need to come to this level. This is the level where the market is basically trying to get. But yeah, they won't just go there with one go, guys. So they have to go up and down, getting CPIs that will go up, getting NFP that will go down, hit some traders here and there. But yeah, already we know our overall trend is to go to the upside. But yeah, nonetheless, when it comes to the trend, we know that exactly what is the market is going to be doing when it comes to this trade. We can see we've got another trend that was broken out again here. This is basically another trend that was broken out. It was just an impulse correction move. So they gave us impulse move and then they started correcting. Impulse move, corrected, impulse move. So we can see here, we can even call this another correction. If you've been following this channel, you know, guys, that this is how the market moves. They give you an impulse move and then start consolidation. Impulse move, start consolidation, then impulse move. So, and the move is already, we know that when they do this, they have to go up 3 times. So they gave us impulse move, which is the first one. And then right now, they have to give us the second one. This is the impulse move. So then we're waiting for a correction a little bit and then we get the third one. So this is this is how the market moves, the way I always check how they move. So they give us, if it's a W pattern, if it's an M pattern, they break out, move 3 times, move 1 time, consolidate, 2 times, consolidate, 3 times, and then that's when they reach their target. So that's basically what I see with the NASDAQ. So we need to go to the lower time frame and see exactly what we have. I'm going to remove this at the moment because I just put them just to show you how the market moves. Right now I see a very important level here for when it comes to NASDAQ. So this is a very important level when it comes to NASDAQ, and we know that NASDAQ has broken out some level as well here. So they've broken out this level. It's a neckline that was broken, and then they came back and retested that neckline. I'm going to go to the lower time frame exactly and see what are they giving us. So we can see that once they broke out from this level, guys, they need to start going to the top side, which is our TP is going to be somewhere here when it comes to the top side. So this is basically what I'm seeing. But entry points, guys, is the very, very important part of this channel. We're giving you entry points where you need to enter your trades. So this is basically, we're seeing first touch here. We know we're seeing first touch here, second touch exactly on the line. So we're waiting for the third touch. I think what the market is going to be doing right now, they might give us a little movement to the upside, come back and touch this zone before going to the upside. This is going to be our entry, guys. So this here is going to be our entry. So let me just shade it a little bit here. Should be somewhere here. Yeah, you can see. So this should be our entry box, guys. So don't forget this box. Make sure you also put it on your chart, guys, so that you understand where that entry is gonna be. Look at me. What am I doing? Removing everything. Remove that. Just yeah. So this is the box that needs to be touched here. So we're gonna be touching this zone here, and then that's when we will start going to the top side. So we might see a little bit of a breakout and then go to the top side. Our TP has to be somewhere here, but already we see this neckline has been broken. They know traders has seen. Let me show you how the market does every time, guys. So the market knows that we as traders, we wait for specific breakout to the zone. So this zone has been broken out, which is a neckline. So the neckline has been broken out. So the traders, we as retail traders, we know that we're going to be entering our trades once the market comes back and retests that trade, that zone that was broken out. But the market is not stupid. They know what we're thinking, and they are not stupid. They are here to make money. We are here to make money as well. So they're gonna go to the top side a little bit just to give you some comfort that yeah, we're gonna go to the upside and then go back down here. So where this is where I'm saying you need to check your entries. So and then come back here and then go to the top side again. So that's basically what they're going to be doing. I don't think they're going to be turning from here. They will turn, but it's going to be a short period of time when they're turning, and then they'll come back and then retest this yellow line. So once they retest the yellow line, guys, that's where we need to start entering our buying, because our buying position is going to be the third touch here. So this third touch is going to be giving us more comfort that we are buying. So we're going to be buying very, very well. So our stop loss will be somewhere here. So guys, this is basically what I have when it comes to NASDAQ. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. If I go to the 1 hour time frame, let me remove this so that we don't confuse each other. I like putting these cycles because they're also showing you where you're going to be entering your trades and where you're going to be exiting your trades. So when I go to the lower time frame, guys, we can see that here the market was broke out from that neckline. They came back and retested there. Once they retested, they start giving you bullish candles. So which is what we as traders were waiting for. So basically that's what we see. So I'm going to put a trend line here just to give me another confirmation that we're going to be coming down here. We're going to be coming down here to our entry zone. So if I put this thing like this, it's basically giving me an entry point of saying this is just a small breakout of a rising wedge. So that breakout was broken out. They came back. They're trying to retest that zone. That's why I'm saying they're going to be going up a little bit. Once they go up a little bit, they'll retest this zone of a rising wedge and then come back here. And then that's when they'll start giving you proper buying opportunities, guys, after retesting this zone. I hope you guys are understanding this analysis and you're taking notes on how I analyze the market, guys. This is it from my side, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you on another video. Thank you for watching this one. That's it for me. Bye bye.